This is a 10 thread 4 row repeat pattern. It's the same pattern I did a tutorial on a few years ago. The difference with that one was that it was worked as a chevron from a teardrop loop, whereas this time I will be working horizontal rows from a straight edge. If you'd prefer to work from a teardrop loop, please check the video linked in the description. For row 1, you want to do a forward knot, a forward backward knot, a forward knot, a backward forward knot, and a backward knot. For row 2, you want to ignore the first and last threads. You want to start with thread 2 and 3 and do a forward knot. And then a forward backward knot. Then a backward forward knot. And then a backward knot. For row 3, you want to do a forward backward knot, two forward knots, a backward knot, and a backward forward knot. For row 4, again ignoring the first and last threads, you want to start with a forward backward knot, and a forward knot, backward knot, and a backward forward knot. And you want to keep repeating these 4 rows. Although you will notice the colours are not back in their starting positions, the knot in sequence repeats every 4 rows. I just wanted to explain that for anybody who looks at the original pattern and wonders why I didn't do all 20 rows.